Hi, this is John from Chicago. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to do a review of the new Eachine VR D3 goggles. Most people starting out in FPV will start off with a box goggle. I have three different ones here to kind of go over or compare this to. But people are going to start with a box goggle because of the price. Most box goggles are $100 or less, where if you're getting top of the line goggles, they could be $600, $650. So you don't put the investment in, make sure you like it, you're going to probably start with a box goggle. I started with the, let's go over some of the specs here. This has a 3-inch screen, and the resolution is high resolution. That's one of the reasons why I bought this. It's 900 by 600, which is quite good. And it has 2 antennas. I don't think it's diversity. It doesn't say anywhere in the literature it is, so it doesn't act. I've had this for about 2 weeks, and it just does not seem like it's 2 receivers in here. It seems like it's just 2 antennas. But it's still a great goggle. I get fairly good distance. I'm able to sit on my deck and get to the backstop, which is about 200 or 120 meters away. It starts to break up once they do a turn there, though, where these other goggles I could get maybe 160 yards away without them breaking up. As far as comfort goes, that's one of the things that you want to look for in a goggle. Is it comfortable to wear? If you're going to fly 1 or 2 packs, it's not as important, but if you're out there for an hour or two trying to really learn how to fly, if you have something that's uncomfortable, you're not going to enjoy flying. And it's hard to say what's going to be comfortable because everybody's face is different distances between the eyes, size of your head, the curvature of your face. For me, for a box goggle, this 007 was the most comfortable. This curve just matches my face, and when I put this on, I said, wow, this is not bad. The only thing is the resolution is bad on these. It's only a 480 by 272, so that resolution's maybe a half or a third of what these are, and you lose quite a bit. So the EV800s is the box goggle that most of the reviewers to date will recommend starting with. There's 2 versions of this. There's the cheap one, which is about $50, and it does not have diversity. It's just a single antenna and no DVR. I added a DVR. I have a video on how to add that. This model here without diversity is $50. The one with diversity is about $89. And then this one, the new goggle here, the VR D3s, I paid, like I said, $49, and I think they're $59, and they'll probably go up to $69. So if you're new to the sport, this would be a fairly good goggle to buy. One of the features that the VR D3 has is the adjustability from the distance to the faceplate of the goggle. They have a slide here. I normally pull it all the way back. When I view, I don't think it makes a big difference, but if you're looking at the OSD information on the screen, looking at numbers and things work better for me if I pull the slide back. So that's one of the unique features of this goggle. I just took the cover off of this, and the big question is, does this goggle, the VR D3, have diversity? And it looks like it does. There's a receiver right there, and there's a second one there, and the traces from the goggle, from the antenna for the patch is going to there, and the circular polarized, they're going to this one here, that connection. So looks like there's 2 receivers in there for true diversity. These next 2 screenshots are taking a photo from inside the goggles. The first photo here is my EV800 with an 800 by 480 pixel view, and then the second one is from my VR D3 goggle. I was a little disappointed because the VR D3 should be clearer. Now I'm going outside to do a range test with the goggles. I'm going to fly out to the backstop, which is a little over 120 meters away. I'm going through a number of trees, probably 4 or 5 trees to get there, plus uphill a little bit. So right there, it's still no breakup at all. Once I get a little closer, I'll start getting some breakup. And then when I start turning around, I get quite a bit of breakup. Normally with my better goggles and better antennas, I could get out to this distance without any breakup. So I think this needs better antennas would help it quite a bit. Now I'm flying indoors and it is quite good. In summary, I wish this goggle was a little bit more comfortable like my VR 007s, and I wish it was a little clearer like my EV 800s, but overall it's a great goggle for the money, and it'd be a great beginner goggle to start with. If you have any questions or comments, please leave those below. Thank you for watching.